So started to use big data Java applications, and the people from the ops teams, hey, that Splunk thing is interesting. Let's see what we can do with that. So I'll show here another example of dashboards we're building. In that case, it's not RD team, the ops team itself. They're building using Splunk to check the health of the machines in production environment. Okay, this is a snapshot of our actual monitoring tool. It's not Splunk, it's probably the legacy one. After we can switch to Splunk definitively. So what's the problem with this interface? We have a lot of hooks in Nagios, a lot of legacy monitoring tools that we centralize all those events on a system that we ourselves build. So we have events, critical events, warning events, and we monitor CPU, memory, file system, and if the application is up, and so on. So we have a lot of events of all machines on our data center. The problem here is that to use that legacy tool, you must know the name of the pool of your machines in question to see it. For example, I'm having a problem in PagSeguro with some of our JMS topic queues. So I can use this tool, I must know the name of the machine that's running the JBoss, and that demands an R&D personnel to look to help to check if there's something wrong. So what the ops team did, they take the legacy events tool and export the events in a CSV format, separated values. So that's an example. We have the ID of the event, the name of the machine, the name of the service, the interface, the dates, what's the kind of, here, it's a warning, and what's happening here? Probably the file system reached, the physical memory reached the threshold limits. So that was the legacy information. We just exported and broke all this information together in Splunk. And then we could build dashboards like this without changing our monitor system. We just took all the legacy information we have, brought together in Splunk, and we could be able to build dashboards like this. So here we could build dashboards by products. I mean, we have shopping wall as an example, as another product. It's made by, I think we have more than 20 pools in production environment of virtual machines. So we from the R&D know the name of the machines. We build dashboards. Hey, show me the events of all those machines. So we could build dashboards that product owners, the business staff can look at. Hey, there's something wrong with my products, without previous knowledge of the name. They just see the spy chart. Hey, that blue thing, there's something wrong here. So this is the cool with Splunk. You can make big data information useful, where anybody can understand. And after we started to use that, I mean, we have some problem here, we have some problem here. We started to chase down these problematic machines, and we have, when Splunk goes live, we start to use Splunk to this month, we have a big descent here on the number of the incident. And that's the people from the IT, hey, it's good, you lower Unix, that's number. So just by a better visualization of our events, we'll be able to lower the incidence number. That's interesting too.